Hey, I'm Joey Aletto, and today I'm the Puppy Bachelor. For this Valentine's Day, I'll be looking for one lucky puppy to take with me on this Valentine's Day date.
Hey, sharp dressed man, you want to take it in the back? I'm trying to get something done here.
I mean, I guess, sorry. Jeez Louise. This is Jessica. She's one of the most sweetest and loving puppies here. We love to take care of those sweet, loving puppies here. But you know what? This is Roy, and he's loving...
Joe, get out of my space!
Let's meet the pups. This is Neo. He's a big boy with a big heart, but he just pulls me around the yard. So Neo, you will not accept this rose.
I came back to let you know.
This is Kona. She's so quick and races around the yard. She's so fun to watch play with the other dogs. But Kona, I'm sad to say, you will not accept this rose.
Well, I'm in the days from your love, you see.
Kona, no, not the rose! Kona, give me that back! Kona, please, I still love you, but I only have one rose! Kona didn't take that news too well. Guess she wanted to be my puppy bachelor as well. Well, the search continues. Jessie! Come here, Jessie! Good girl, Jessie, come here! Come here! She does not want this rose. Ah, Sadie, so loving towards all people and dogs. It's just so great to play with. But Sadie does not get this rose.
In my world, only you make me do for love.
This is Riley. He's such a good boy. He runs around and plays with all the puppies here. And he never fails to give me puppy hugs. Come here, Riley. Good boy. This is why I'm proud to announce, Riley, you are the puppy bachelor.
I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Thanks again for tuning in to this year's Puppy Bachelor. I'm the Puppy Bachelor. Be sure to tune in next year. And for Valentine's Day,
I know you're dressed for prom, but please get to work.
It's the Puppy Bachelor.
Pick up a scooper!
Jeez Louise.
But seriously, happy Valentine's Day. We really love your dogs. We'll see you next year.